ready to increase the income with pocket options help? Today, I'll share a super profitable strategy with you, which is going to help you to become a successful trader. Don't miss this chance. Hello everyone guys! Today I'll show you the strategy that's going to help you to earn money even if you know nothing about the trading, how it works. And as the strategy is pretty simple, you only need to turn your logic and watch this video attentively so you can get the whole point. And by the way, most traders do really use the strategy, yes that's right, and it can bring you a profit. And today's goal of the video is turning $150 in balance into $400. Let's get started. As a strategy, we need to choose a specific kind of candles. We choose Heiken Ashi. And we also choose S15 time frames, so 15 seconds candles. We're trading on 30 seconds deals. This is extremely important as well. And when opening deals, we watch if we open a deal on an horizontal level because there's a chance of reverse near horizontal level and our deal will end up a loss. So we try not to open deals near horizontal levels and then the success of our deals is maximum. And in a perfect scenario, before opening a deal, we better have 3-4 candles of required color for a more confident deal. And to start with, we choose a suitable currency pair. We do that in the left upper corner. Found a great entry point, guys. I opened with higher $330 and we're mostly trading on a trend. So as you see, the trend is upward now. There are a lot of green candles, so we open a deal with higher. Great, our deal successfully closed in a profit and I think we're done with this currency pair for now. Opening deals further is pretty dangerous as a reverse can happen any moment, so let's choose another appropriate case. Great entry point, guys. We open a deal with lower. As we see, until now the chart's been growing pretty actively and now a small retracement is happening, so it's slowly decreasing. So we open a deal with lower as we plan that the chart will go even lower. Okay, as we see, the deal's closed at a loss, but it's fine. I'm sure the price can still go lower. We open two deals, $30 each, so we both cover the loss and earn a profit. Awesome! Our deal successfully closed in a profit, and those deals were dangerous. I was taking risks on them, but I was sure everything will work out. So let's find some better pair with a clear trend and let's bet $60. Here's a great chart. Look, there is a retracement proceeding here. As you see, there was a growth, and then a small decrease, a rise again, and now, after the same decrease, we prognose the growth. Moreover, we already see some green upward deal. It's closed in 10 seconds, and as soon as the candle's closed, we'll open a deal with higher. Okay, alright, there is some risk as we open from horizontal level of support, but I hope it's fine. By the way, if you want to learn more beneficial information about trading or want to earn on copy trading, then you can follow the link in the description, go to my Telegram channel and get all the required information. I'll be glad to see you here. Our deal successfully closed in a profit and just as we prognosed, it worked out perfectly. So there is another great example very similar to the previous deal, so we confidently bet higher $30. And another positive deal, we already have $285. I think we need only one more confident deal so we'll reach the goal doubling deposit. Here's a great example. The difference here is that there was a constant growth and there was no retracement yet, and we see several red candles signalizing the price will be going lower, so we can trade on a trend and bet lower safely. I think the deal will be positive. As we see, with no problem, the deal's closed in a profit. We already had $313 when we started with $150 and managed to double deposit with this simple strategy. Let's find a couple more confident deals and leave balance to $400. Great deal, guys! We see several red candles here, already more than 5, so we can safely trade on a trend and open a deal with lower. The deal's confidently closed in a profit, we go on. A great example as well, we see the long fall and open a deal with higher right away. There was a lot of green candles, we're trading on a trend and bet higher. The deal's confidently closed. A very good example. There was a clear growth, look, clear fall, and now there's a 3 green candles and we safely open a deal with higher. The deal's closed in a profit. We have $396 on balance, and in the beginning of the video there was 115 per deal and we can successfully finish the video. Found a great example for you when you should not open a deal. Look, there is a clear level of resistance in these values and a clear level of support somewhere here. In this case, it's better not opening a deal at all, as there is a big risk of reverse and the chance of succeeding with our strategy is much less here. We already opened a deal like that, we won't do that again. And here is a perfect example. We open a deal with lower look, a perfect prolonged growth, a small retracement and a long fall. So we safely open a deal with lower for 30 seconds and I'm sure this deal will be a profit. No problem with getting a profit here, guys, and we have $423 on balance. Guys, don't forget to put your likes, subscribe to the channel, and don't forget about my Telegram channel. There is a huge amount of great strategies on trading. Please subscribe. I'm waiting for you right here, and see you.